So from our point of view, having Saksham as part of the social responsibility program uh, has been amazing. His improvement, his growth, his development uh, over the past few years has been, extremely satisfying to watch. And his graduation from the social responsibility program will serve as a very positive example for others. And it tells others that if they do work hard, if they work with focus, if they work with dedication and commitment, there's really nothing that can stop them from achieving or at least taking the next step forward. I think a key factor in Saksham's development has been the support he's got from his family. I can recall over the past 4 years, at every training session, at every tournament, his father, come rain or sunshine or whatever the conditions are, his father is there. So yes, it's a fantastic achievement, and we should all bask in the success for a few moments. But in a sense, the journey for Saksham has just begun, and from all of us at Footie First and Vedanta Trust, we wish him every success and hope to see him maybe one day on the television screen, and we'll be cheering for him for sure. All the best, Saksham.